So we are given a square plus 1 by a square equal to 51. Find the value of a plus 1 by a and a minus 1 by a. So for this one, we know a plus 1 by a whole square. So we can assume this as a and this as b. So it's like a plus b whole square. So we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write it. And a square plus this one 1 by a square plus 2, it will be cancelled out, and this value is given as 51. So we can write 51 plus 2 is equal to 53. So a plus 1 by a is plus minus 53, root over plus minus 53. And same as if we want to find the a minus 1 by a, so we'll write square is equal to a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So a square plus 1 by a minus 2, it will be cancelled out, and this is 51 minus 2 is equal to 49. So a minus 1 by a is equal to plus minus 7. So these two are our answer.